how to generate an image from a sketch drawing, a description, or an image on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. In here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then tap on Creative Studio. Now in here, make sure you turn on Creative Studio by tapping on the toggle button. After that, we're going to open up, say, Note, and then we bring up the keyboard. It is part of the keyboard, so use the S Pen and tap on the menu here and tap on Creative Studio. Now there are a lot of different options that you can use, so you can generate an image from drawings, or you can create one by simply write in the description. Orange, and tap on generate. So that is generating an image from description, but you can also draw a sketch and ask it to draw to create an image as well. Okay, so car with two people driving with orange wheel. Okay, so how about we're going to create one. So I'll go back here and I'm going to create one. So these are all the ones that I have created. So here you can choose whether you want to create stickers, create wallpaper, create profile card, create greetings. Okay, so I'll generate a new image, and here this time I will draw. Let's draw a boat. And then we've got people, another people, person, another person here, and then just maybe something like this. And then tap on done. And then you can ask it to generate, or you can add in additional prompt or additional instruction. So you can say boat on Red Sea. And then tap on generate. After that, with the image, you can generate a stickers. Okay, so boat on Red Sea. You can tap on view prompt to see what is the prompt. Here is a watercolor. Of course, you can change the style. So if you want, you can change it. So we go back in here. And tap on generate again. So it's quite fun and limitless. The drawings is up to your imaginations. You can create however you want it. Again, it's still showing watercolor. Maybe we need a better prompt and change the style to a different style. But that is how you can generate the image. Here you can then create stickers or add text or generate the image. And that's it. So that's how you can generate the image. You can play around with it. There's a lot of things you can do with it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.